let your halo down. You gave me fever. No need to tell me all. Your eyes I always remember. I wrote you on and on. You never gave me an answer. Am I the only one? I didn't know it was over. Take care of you. I didn't know it was over. Take care of you.
Me comprometo a separar mi basura en lo orgánico e inorgánico.
Me comprometo a no volver a usar bolsas de plástico.
Me comprometo a usar termos en vez de botellas de agua. A partir de hoy ya no voy a comprar bolsas de plástico.
Me comprometo a usar termos en vez de botes de agua.
So this week I did my Zero Waste Week and it was pretty hard, but to be honest, it wasn't really that bad. It was hard in the sense that it was hard to find food that didn't have any waste because practically everything we eat has a ton of waste. It comes packaged or in a container that is plastic and you eventually have to throw out. So I would have to find different ways in order to not produce waste, as in take food from my home, like fruit, apples, oranges, and take it in a Tupperware. If I wanted to take it cut in cubes or so it's easier to eat. Either way, I would always take a Tupperware. So for example, if I wanted to buy a sandwich, I would ask them to make it and put it in the Tupperware instead of giving it to me in a plastic container and things like that. Or when I went to a restaurant, I would ask them to not bring me a straw or not to put a straw in my drink, so I wouldn't produce waste in that way. I realized the amount of waste we really produce, which is a ton of waste per day, and we really don't notice it because for us it's just something as simple as throwing it in the trash and it disappears and it's no longer a problem. It's it's no longer there. I just throw it in the trash and it's someone else's problem. And we really are unconscious most parts of the day because everything we eat or we buy at this in school is prepackaged a bag of chips or a granola bar or even a container with fruit. It's all disposable. It's one-use plastic or one-use whatever, and it's a lot of waste. And I think this was really eye-opening and helped me see that I'm really unconscious. I was really unconscious about the waste I produced, and there are so many ways in which we can reduce it, and it's really not that bad. I mean, if you take a Tupperware everywhere and expect people, you just tell them okay, just don't use your containers, put whatever food you're going to be serving me in a container, put it here in this Tupperware, not using plastic bottles anymore, using a thermos. The little things and little improvements we make in our lives, and the more people learn about these improvements, the better it is for the planet. And I completely 100% recommend this because it's really eye-opening, and you don't realize things like this until you do them and just realize damn, really I never notice how much trash I throw, and it's pretty much a lot. So if you're thinking about doing it, just do it. it's really eye-opening. It's kind of fun at some point, even though it doesn't seem like it, but you get lots of learning experiences from this, and you can find new ways to help save the planet. And whatever works for you, if you want to take a Tupperware, or if you simply just don't want to buy things and just do everything from your home, it's okay. I mean, whatever works for you, but just find new ways in which you can help the planet and reduce your waste, and I think it would have really good effects in our environment.